Good morning. It's about 11 a.m. Wednesday, and I'm just going through some emails, getting some work done, and like planning out my day. Yesterday, Nicole, Brian, Kobe, and Emmeline were here. Emmeline had an audition with her dance team, so I'm gonna like insert like some clips and stuff, some b-roll, the Prodigy dance group. Forgot to vlog. I'm with Nicole. Hey! Cool. Is it the golden hour? Yes, it is. It's my dad's favorite restaurant. Wonton soup.
Here, he said put it later. Okay? Here. Okay, there.
Oh, my sister-in-law loves that. Yeah. Barbecue. It's always a great time whenever I hang out with Nicole. Even though we live in different states, Nicole is like one of my really good friends here. Also, are you guys excited for Vlogtober? I'm really excited. I have like my planner here with video ideas, 31 days of videos. 4 of those days are going to be Sunday faves and nays, and then the very last one is October obsessions. But the rest of the 27 videos are all going to be just mashup of different videos. Mom and I will be traveling last part of October, so that will be really fun as well. We are on our way now to Santa Monica. Travel time is going to be about, it says 58 minutes because it's 5 o'clock, a little bit past 5, and that is traffic. So it's going to take me through Pacific Coast Highway, which is like a big, it's definitely going to cut through a lot of traffic, but still there's going to be some traffic. We're going to be attending the Beauty and Bikes spin class, and they're going to have a live DJ. All about getting back on board with fitness and just being healthy in general, and getting back to a state where I'm happy, like with the way how my clothes are fitting and all of that, which I'm almost there. A big step up from where I was a year ago. I feel so much better just with everything, the way how I fit into my clothing, just how I feel in general. Every time I go here to Santa Monica, I have the most difficult time trying to find parking, but luckily I was able to find something. But I just have to walk like a block down, and this time I made sure to bring my niece. So we're heading over to Revolution Fitness. It's about 6:45 and the class starts at 7, so we are right on time today. Ooh, I like the vibe in here. Lights. One more thing, there's a live DJ. He's right there. After workout dinner, we're going to Earth Cafe. The last time I was here was at least like a couple of years ago, like 2? Has it been like 2 years? Just decided to come over here and grab something to eat. Since anyway, I was in the area and I'm hungry. I haven't really eaten anything today, so why not stop by Earth Cafe? Cappuccino and matcha latte, panini caprese, which I'm only gonna eat half with the salad. It's so pretty. I hope this tastes just as good as it looks. Happy Thursday with my mom. Today is her turn for the San Lorenzo Ruiz. It's a Filipino saint. It's her turn for the prayers. 9 days for the prayers, and each of the 9 days somebody else is hosting the dinners. Tonight is my mom's turn. Had to, of course, make sure to go to support. So we're picking up some drinks and cake. So where are we first going, Mom? And in the drinks first. Alright, we got the drinks. We're in the cake area. Oh, thank you.
Meron pa isa mga box niya, no?
Pollo loco, salad, sides. Wow.
Lang kanyang in-order. Okay, raspberry time. Get raspberry.
Happy Friday! This is Angel's last, like seriously, last official time coming here to Six Flags. This is her going away party and it's Abby. Today's trip to Six Flags was kind of like, I mean, it was kind of planned but not really. So last week when we were here, that was supposed to be like Angel's going away celebration. She's leaving tomorrow night. She's going back to Alaska. Angel, we're going to miss you. I'm gonna miss you, Angel. All right, Angel. Oh my God, where are you going? Angel! Angel, why are you running away? Angel, we're going to miss you. We're waiting for all of the zombies to come out. There's Tim taking a picture with Joker. Angel, go take a picture with Joker. That was good. Since this is Angel's last official time at Six Flags until she comes back to visit, we're trying to get her as scared as possible. So we're not going through the mazes, but we're going through all of the scare zones and stuff. Hi. Oh my God, Angel! We are at Tofu House Korean barbecue. We're gonna go eat. We're all hungry. So everybody basically got the bibimbap. What did you guys get? Beef. Mine is tofu. So mine looks larger, but it's exactly the same. It is Saturday, it is 2:48, and I am laying down looking like a hot mess. This is like the real fright fest right here. I look scary and I look tired. Yesterday was a lot of fun. I think Abby and I are gonna go back maybe mid-October to go through the mazes. We were trying to like plan it out. We're trying to figure out a date. Earlier when we were having lunch, the girls already went home. Angel is leaving this evening. I think her flight's like at 11:55 p.m. So good luck, Angel, in Alaska, and I'm sure we're gonna see you. Last night when we came home, I knocked out. I remember we were all just kind of chilling here in the room and we were talking, and then I just knocked out. I was so tired. But today my body is really feeling like it needs some time just to kind of chill and relax. Just thought I would kind of check in with you guys. Hubs went to go run some errands and he should be back in a little bit. I honestly don't think we're gonna do anything today. I think we're just gonna stay home. How cute is this? Dispensing soy sauce. Baked jalapeno. It has a crunchy panko and a cream sauce with, and that's eel sauce on top. California roll. And our last order is a salmon skin roll. I love the presentation. This is so perfect. They even give you green tea ice cream with whipped cream and some chocolate. Feedback on sushi and wasabi. Food was delicious. The stuffed jalapenos was both our fave. And that's actually what kind of, when I looked it up on Yelp, that was the dish that kind of sold me. And I was like, yes, you know. Gotta try it out. So it was definitely worth it. I would recommend this place. I think this is gonna be our new favorite sushi spot because we don't really eat sushi that often, so it was definitely a treat for us.